Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 241 horsepower and 253 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A sports interior and exterior, sports suspension, an almond ambitex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push-start ignition, media display, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This C-Class has 96,219 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.